Hey guys, Dan again. Welcome back to part 2 of creating a campaign in Orca. In this video, we'll be creating a 5-touch sequence. We'll view the profile, send a connect request, view the profile again, and send an email. If the lead doesn't reply to that email, we'll send a follow-up email. You can come up with any type of sequence you like. You can run campaigns where you just view profiles, or you can create a campaign where it's just email sequences. So let's go ahead and get started. We currently have 3 types of touches: the LinkedIn view, LinkedIn connect, and email. We'll be adding in other touches in the future, like endorse or liking a post. So you'll be able to create some pretty powerful sequences. So let's go ahead and create our 5-touch sequence. The first view is already created for me, so the next step is to add in a LinkedIn connect. I already created my template for this, so I'm just going to copy that in. Now I can add a little bit of personalization by using this magic snippet, so I'm going to throw in that first name there. We also have 2 options here. The first option is to proceed to the next step only if a lead accepts your connection. So if I wanted to do that, just go ahead and toggle that on. I'm going to keep mine off. We also have a auto follow-up with message once connected. So I'm just going to simply say thank you for connecting. All right, so the next step is an email touch. So I'm going to throw that in. And we're also going to do a follow-up email after that. So I've already created the templates for this. I'm going to copy it into the message. All right. I'm going to personalize it again by adding in the first name, and then I'll come up with a catchy subject line. Great profile on LinkedIn, if I can spell. Now for the follow-up, I'm just going to say check in. Did you get my last message? Okay, now there's one feature that I want to show off to you guys. Let's say I wanted to throw in a view between the 3rd and 4th steps. I can go ahead and create that view, and then I'll drag and drop right between the 3rd and 4th email. All right, great. So this is my 5-touch sequence. If everything looks good, we'll go on to the next page. And this is where you'll name your campaign. So I'm just going to call it SDR San Fran. The important thing here is to make sure that your audience is right. Make sure that this is set up properly, because once you publish the campaign, you won't be able to edit that. But you'll be able to edit everything else.